Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nisipag tayo ngayon. Ewan ko, I don't know, for some reason, I've found this content creator. Sobrang na-inspired ako to film this video or to be back again by doing a vlog while waiting for my travel na sobrang nilook forward ko. Siguro yung last vlog natin na na-upload was yung Palawan vlog pa natin, and I think it's nearing 300 days na yung nakalipas after ko siya i-upload. So sobrang tagal na nung last talaga natin. I am just so happy na we're doing this again. Sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat while I'm doing this. Sana mas naging maganda din yung araw nyo habang pinapanood nyo to. Sobrang look forward ko lang lahat na nangyayari. I know sobrang busy ng work. Susubukan natin na mas maging light lang tong araw na to and ma-share lahat kung ano ba yung routine na ginagawa ko daily. Pero ngayon, 4 AM, we're going to run. Dito lang malapit sa tinutulayan namin sa Venice, sa McKinley, and malapit lang siya sa office. I am targeting to run 5 kilometers lang para at least 30 to 40 minutes lang yung kakainin na oras para makapasok din tayo sa office ng maaga. That's it for this morning. I am just so inspired to do things and to finish everything today. Sana kayo din inspired kayo to do things and gawin lahat ng mga dapat yung gawin ngayong araw to. Welcome back again everyone. And sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung pag-vlog ulit natin. Good morning! So this is our view sa unit namin at 4:30 AM. Beautiful. You have BGCs there. Let's run! Hindi tayo nakapag-fit check pala. Wow. So, palabas na kami ngayon ng aming hotel. And we're gonna start our jog from here. And then paikot lang dito sa vicinity ng McKinley. Morning, kuya. Good morning, Yarabun. Good morning to our neighbor. Oh, siya ang main character this vlog. There's an update. I had to stop after my first kilometer kasi sobrang sakit ng shins ko. And lately, parang mas napapabilis yung pagkakaroon ko ng shin splints. Kasi before, naka 3 to 4 km naman ako, like, dire-diretsong run, wala namang shin splints. Pero ngayon, ang weird. But yeah, masakit siya, kaya nag-walk na lang muna ako ngayon. Annyeonghaseyo, Yarabun, my neighborhood. And then guys, if you're familiar, Andran College is located here. I'm not sure, pero ang alam ko dito nag-aaral si Bini Aya or nag-aaral, at saka si Yulin, si Yobog. And then katabi ng Enderan is yung office namin there, the one campus space building. And then katapat lang nila yung Venice Canal. Everything here is magkakatabi lang. Let's try ulit mag-run. Although may napipil pa akong pain. But we have to finish our 5 kilometers running. Ayun guys, share ko lang. Itong area na to, yung bus stop. So dito ako nasakay kapag nakastay ako sa Guadalupe. Kasi meron free bus from uptown to here sa McKinley and then vice versa. Got back here dito sa unit namin, and yeah, I'm just so happy that I was able to finish the 5K. You were able to show off. That's the most important thing. I know it's a slower pace, not the usual that we have, but I mean, marami pa naman days para improve ulit. We just need to be consistent. And also, if you are in on your running era, let me know if you are active, if you have Strava. You can drop that sa comment section, or you can message me on my social media, and then we can follow each other, and then let's give ourselves our kudos. Congrats everyone, and I'm so happy for everyone that is very active in the running era. Yes! Yeah, nag-prepare na kami para pumunta naman sa office. Start na tayo ng totoong laban ng buhay.
Coffee first. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
So this is our look for today's client visit. Actually, we are on our third week of client visit. Just white top, and then maong pants and white shoes. Then later on, magpapatong na lang ako ng coat pag nasa office na ako. But for now, pupunta muna ako sa coffee shop, then get some coffee. And siguro yun yung breakfast ko. Magbabay na din ako ng pastry. So see you! Yung office na tinutuloyan namin, actually like 5 minutes away lang. And ngayon, daan muna tayo sa coffee shop. Medyo mainit, naglalapot na ako. Tsaka medyo mainit din yung tela na suot ko. Then, siguro padating na din yung client namin. 8:30 sila. So, kailangan natin mag-prepare ng mas maaga today. Grabe naman to. Ang ganda naman itong natagpuan natin sa Starbucks. Oh. Meet Nyla Monteverde, our operations manager. Welcome to my vlog, Mom. It's your debut. Ah.
Banana loaf pa lang.
Yung may chocolate. Sino si Brian? Sorry, Starbucks. You just lost a loyal customer. Hi, Miss Kate. You just lost a loyal customer. Sino si Brian? Thank you. Joke lang. Thank you so much. Guys, so malapit na ako sa office. And habang naglalakad, ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang dami ko pa palang nila-prepare, especially dito sa training rooms. Yan, so see you later. Work muna ako. Outfit check again. Good luck.
Kadkan ko yung mamaya.
Oo. Nasa office na ako. Sis, hello ka naman. Hello, aligaga na kami.
Chocolate, guys.
Padating na ang aming mga client from Hong Kong.
We have chocolate.
So that's why we need you. They will let you because the deadline is.
Hello, so nasa Venice Mall ako ngayon dahil sasaglit ako sa bangko. And yeah, support kami ngayon sa office dahil 5 client na firmer lang kailangan na sikasuyin sa bangko. Na yun, pera namin. Medyo nakakaya, pero laban natin itong vlog na to. Guys, so update lang. Hindi ako natuloy dun sa bank. I mean, nagpunta ako sa bank kaso ang dami ng pila. Pero I had to go back. Kasi meron akong meeting ng 12:30. Meron kaming client catch up. So, siguro babalik na lang ako sa bank mga 2 PM. Siguro medyo maluwag na doon. And medyo stable na din yung mga client natin sa Hong Kong because we are still supporting them. Oh no! Umulan na guys! Pabalik ako ngayon ng Bangkok para asikasuhin ang dapat asikasuhin. Then magla-lunch ako after nito. So, tawid lang tayo. Punta tayo sa Union Bank. Kakatapos ko lang sa Union Bank. Grabe, parang inabot pa ka ng 40 minutes doon. Tagal ng process. Ngayon, magla-lunch na ako. I'm thinking if magbanapal ako kasi parang tahimik lang din sa place na yun. So, let's see. Hala, sino to mga to? Ayan, bad trip, sarado. Huwag na lang kumain si Sel. Alas 4, hindi pa ako nakakain. Tapos sarado pa yung pineapple. Nasa nakakain ito. Oh my god. Check tayo sa Venice Mall. Ay, wait lang guys. Nandito na lang tayo sa Polo Long kasi nakaka-bad trip pa din. Sarado yung pineapple. I've been craving for pineapple. Pero yun, unfortunately, it's closed. One order po ng chicken tostada combo.
For the salsa, mild or spicy?
Mild lang po. And then, one Coke Zero po.
Coke Zero.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Can you repeat your order? For the drinks, one Coke Zero. Then isang chicken tostada with mild salsa.
Yeah.
Serving time 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.
While waiting dun sa food natin, sagutin natin yung question sa GS na pinost ko yesterday. Then yung question dun, bakit ganun? Bakit, parang question is, bakit ginugusto lang, hindi siya pinapursue? Tapos meron siyang follow-up question na kailangan bang may baguhin sa sarili. I think meron talagang mga bagay na talagang ginugusto lang natin. And hindi talaga siya yung plan ni Lord for us. Siguro per person, for example, ginusto nila tayo, pero wala talaga silang plan at all na i-pursue tayo. Like to the point na hanggang marriage, ganun, like lifetime na talaga. So I think wala tayong dapat baguhin. I think kung meron naman palang babaguhin, that is for betterment. I mean, kung ma-assess naman natin kung tayo pa din yun, kung magbabago tayo, nagbago tayo para sa sarili natin. And yeah, for improvement lang talaga. Dumating na yung order natin, very quick lang siya. Yeah, para mo talaga nakain ng gulay. Going back to sa question, actually hindi ko talaga alam paano siya i-answer ng mas may elaborate pa. Pero yun, if that person hindi tayo pinurso at all, isa nang ibig sabihin, hindi siya para sa atin, hindi siya yung plano ni Lord for us, and meron pa mas better sa kanya. Maybe dumating lang sila or nagparamdam lang sila for us, for them to become a lesson for us, and for us to improve also. So, somehow connected din sa question na kailangan ko magbago. Ayun, siguro magbabago tayo because we learned, not because parang ini-impose nila sa atin na magbago tayo. Ayun, yun lang siguro yung masasabi ko. And then, paano yung next question from my friend din sa Lumbayan? Sabi niya, kailan daw tatakbong konsehal? Diyos ko, wala siyang plano. Wala siya sa plano ko. But I'm always hopeful and I've been praying for a good governance, not only just sa local namin, but of course for the whole Philippines. to experience what good governance is. So, yun, para sa mga nanalo at uupong bagong mga politiko, sana talaga is gawin yung mga pinramis mo sa mga kababayan natin, sa amin lahat. And yeah, I just hope and pray for a good governance for everyone that we deserve. I just finished eating and babalik na ako sa office. Oh shucks, naambon na. Siyempre, vlog muna tayo bago tayo tamakbo sa kabila.
Thank you.
Yeah, surviving the day. Last meeting for today. Ay, ang perfect na ulit ng mga to. Oh, ayun na mga perfect talaga. Art. Waiting na lang kami sa client, so we just finish our photo ops. Photo ops? May S ba yun? Kakatapos lang ng tutorial namin dahil sa may lab ng first floor namin. So we're just waiting for our client na mag-dial din sa call para ma-start na namin yung last meeting for today, which is yung daily catch up. Pakishare ng 5 na rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan.
Thank you. For
Pakad mo
mayor.
ka sa magulang mo, ha? Bilang kapatid mo.
Anong illegal business natin, ha?
3, 4, 5. Ito para sa kalooban.
Picture.
Yeah! Hello,
Bye!
Welcome to my vlog, ate. Yan, papunta na. Ito na nga yun. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Venice Mall. Mag-dinner kami sa my side. May mga ano tayo. Bye po, ma. Hi ka naman po sa vlog ko.
Ayos, umulan pala. Umulan pala.
Oo, yan. Medyo maulan. Nakambun sa labas. Nakambun sa labas. Alangan sa loob. So, dito kami magdi-dinner ngayon sa Mai Thai Pho. Pho ba yun? Basta yung Vietnamese
318
food.
sa'yo, sis, kanina.
Yan na. Yan ang mga itsura nila after ng napakahabang araw.
May tag-14 yung kapapal eh. Ano kapal?
Mother.
145.
Ay, ang sarap.
Malamay.
Burger, masarap talaga.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray.
So, kamusta naman ngayon ang araw mo?
Okay naman, naitawid naman natin yun eh.
Thank you, Lord, diba?
Thank you Lord for all the blessings, the guidance, and the support.
Yeah. Yeah. So, ngayon pabalik na kami sa condo namin. And connecting kasi yung condo na tinutuloyan namin dito sa Venice Mall. So, madali lang yung access. And I think that's all actually for today. Maybe after nito mag-outro na ako, but yeah, ito meron pala akong gift from our client sa Hong Kong. Napaka-sweet talaga. Yun yung first batch ng client namin, and she still remember me. Nagbigay siya ng gift, so thank you so much, Winnie. Sheshe. May nakasalubong kaming volleyball player, si John Degdeg Guzman. Ito ka dyan sa personal, ha, in fairness. Well, volleyball player ang na-expect mo. Annyeonghaseyo, Yorobun! Hello guys! We're finally back dito sa condo namin. And I just want to say thank you for staying. I mean, kung nandito ka pa din sa part ng video na to, thank you. Kasi natapos mo at sinamahan mo ko sa isang, in a day in my life. So, thank you so much again. And hindi ko alam yung magiging next, but hopefully it's another travel vlog. Since yun naman yung gusto kong mag-film. But yeah, I don't know yet the next one, but I have one but I have this in the pipeline. Pero matagal-tagal pa siya. Then before we end the video, just wanna say thank you also again to our client from Hong Kong. So nagbigay siya ng gift. Di ko pa siya na-check, pero let's see kung anong naman ito. Very quick. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Strawberry! Oh, may message pa siya, oh. To Ian from Winnie Chow. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Hello, from Korea pa siya. For those who don't know, I really love strawberry. Aside from mango, strawberry talaga yung mga go-to flavors ko and fruits. Wow, thank you so much. Strawberry, chocolate, dark, and white. Oh, thank you so much, Winnie. Thank you so much. And also, yeah, before we really end this video, gusto ko lang magpasalamat to Cham dahil napanood ko yung mga videos niya, na-inspired ako sa mga content niya. So, that person is also a content creator. Una ko siya napanood sa TikTok, and then I just found out na meron din siyang YouTube channel. So, yun, after ko mapanood yung vlog niya about sa university-related vlog, ayun, na-inspired ulit ako like mag-film ng mga ganitong random videos. Like, why not share something? I mean, I don't know if magustuhan ng lahat, pero parang wala lang. Ang saya lang mag-film ng ginagawa mo sa isang araw. Tapos babalikan mo siya. Ganyan. So, I think yun lang for this day in my life version 2.0 sa Taguig. And sana mas marami pa tayong video na pagsamahan. And thank you for always watching my videos and for subscribing. Sana mas dumami pa tayo. And thank you so much and God bless everyone. See you on my next video. Bye!